Hi friends, welcome to Joga Coaching. In this video, we are going to learn about DevOps stages and the tools used in each stages of DevOps. DevOps tools and stages will help to accelerate the software delivery with more automation and collaboration. Let's get into the details now. We will cover these stages along with the tools. The stages are requirement management and agile planning, source code control management, build automation, continuous integration, continuous delivery and deployment, containerization and orchestration, infrastructure as a code, code quality and static analysis, automated testing, and security and DevOps. So we will be understanding these stages in detail along with the tools used in each of these stages. Please watch this full video to understand everything. The first stage is requirement management and agile planning. So here the purpose of this stage is doing agile project management, doing documentation and managing the knowledge base, creating the product roadmap and managing the roadmap, and having a wireframe and UX design. So these are all the purpose of having this requirement management and agile planning stage. The popular tools used in these stages are Jira, Azure DevOps and Rally for Agile Project Management, Confluence, Notion and SharePoint for documentation and knowledge base, AHA product board. These tools are used for product roadmap creation. Sometimes we will be using the Excel sheet as well. Figma and Adobe XD. These are all the tools used for wireframe and UX. So these are all the few tools I have mentioned, but so many tools are available, and some companies will have their own internal tool or some tools licensed to the entire corporate. So you should learn those tools and understand and use it in your project. Hope this is clear to you. The second stage in the DevOps is source code management or SCM phase. The purpose of this is having Git repositories, hosting the repository so that many people can access it, having enterprise level source code management. So these are all the purpose of having this stage. Popular tools used in these stages are Git, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, Azure Repos, Perforce Helix Core, Apache Subversion. So these are all some popular tools used for the source code management phase. Hope this is clear and helpful to you. The next stage in DevOps is code quality and static analysis of the code. The purpose of this phase is ensuring that the code quality standards are met as per the expectation, and the linting is done and security scan is done for the source code to ensure that there is no security vulnerability available in the code developed by the team. So popular tools used in these stages are SonarQube, Code Climate, ESTLint, PyLint, Synac, Checkmarks, and Fortify. So these are a few tools used for source code quality and static analysis check. Hope this is clear and helpful to you. The next stage in DevOps is build automation phase. Here, build automation will be done based on various technologies, and tools will be available specific to technologies for build automation. Here we can see Java, .NET, JavaScript, Node.js and Python related tech stacks, and what are the tools available for our build automation is mentioned in the right side. You can use Maven, Cradle, Ant, MS Build, NPM, Yarn, PAP, Poetry. So these are all the tools we can use for build automation, and you can see the left side column for the technology related to those tools. Hope this is clear and helpful. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about new video. Now let's continue with our learning. The next phase in DevOps is continuous integration phase. Here we will be using the tools like CI servers, enterprise CI continuous integration, cloud native continuous integration. So these are all the categories we will be using. The tools used for CI is Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD, GitHub Actions, Bamboo, TeamCity, Circle CI, Azure Pipeline, Azure Cloud Build. So for specific to this category, there are some popular tools available in the industry, And companies also will recommend the tools related to their needs. So you should know about these tools and use it accordingly. Hope you are clear about continuous integration phase and the tools used for the DevOps. Now let us understand continuous delivery deployment phase and the tools used in this phase. Here the deployment areas are CD pipeline, Kubernetes deployment, cloud deployment. The popular tools used in this continuous delivery deploy and continuous deployment phases are Argo CD, Spinnaker, Octopus Deploy, Helm, Customize, AWS Code Deploy, Azure DevOps. So you can choose any of these tools to meet the requirement based that is mentioned in the left side column. Hope this is helpful. Another phase in the DevOps lifecycle is automated testing. We have various type of testing followed in the software development like unit testing, UI automation, API testing, performance testing, etc. The popular tools used by the teams in the industries are JUnit, NUnit and PyTest. This is for unit testing. Selenium, Cypress, Playwright for UI automation. Postman, Rest Assured, those are all for API testing. JMeter and LoadRunner, these tools are used for performance testing. So these are a very few tools I have mentioned, and based on the company needs, you may be using some other tools as well. Hope this is helpful to you. The another phase followed in the DevOps lifecycle is containerization and orchestration. Here we will create containers and we will use container registry and we will have container orchestration. The popular tools used in these areas are Docker, Podman, Docker Hub, Amazon ECR, JFrog Artifactory, Kubernetes and OpenShift. These are all the tools will be owned and used by the DevOps engineers team, the experts who will be managing the entire DevOps pipeline. Hope this is helpful to you. I have enabled membership in this channel. Feel free to explore and subscribe for this membership. You will be getting membership specific videos, membership specific charts that won't be available for other people. And you will get early access for all the videos a few days in advance. And you will be getting priority reply for all your comments. And you will be getting the loyalty badge. So that will showcase you in our live chat. So feel free to explore and join the membership. That will give more advantage to learn many things and watch so many videos that is not available for other people. Thanks for your support. The next stage in the DevOps lifecycle is infrastructure as a code, that is also called IAC. The purpose of this phase is infrastructure provisioning and configuration management. Popular tools used for this stage is Terraform, AWS Cloud Formation, Ansible, Chef, and Puppet. So these are all the scripting tools that will help to pre-configure all the requirements to provide the infrastructure and the configuration for the new machines or the developers. So hope this is helpful to you. The next phase in DevOps stage is security and DevSecOps. Here we will be focusing on various areas like secret management, vulnerability scanning, dependency scanning, etc. The popular tools used for these areas are mentioned in the right side. The tools are HashiCorp Vault, AWS Secret Manager, Trivy, Aqua Security, OWASP Dependency Check. So these are all very few tools used for security scanning and DevSecOps. Hope this is clear. Thanks for watching. Share your questions in the comment section. I will be answering at the earliest. Please subscribe to this channel for more insights and knowledge. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. If you are looking for any one-on-one coaching for Scrum Master role, Agile Project Manager role, Release Train Engineer role, Delivery Manager role or Agile Coach role, please mail to this email ID mentioned in this slide or WhatsApp to this number. I will be providing customized one-on-one coaching to prepare for this role or excel in these roles and move to next level role. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get notification about new videos. We'll see in the next video. Thank you. If you are looking for any one-on-one coaching for Scrum Master role, Agile Project Manager role, Release Train Engineer role, Delivery Manager role, or Agile Coach role, please mail to this email ID mentioned in this slide or WhatsApp to this number. I will be providing customized one-on-one coaching to prepare for this role or excel in these roles and move to next level role. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get notification about new videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.